Countable and uncountable nouns. So, let's begin our English grammar class. Today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. First of all, let's talk about countable nouns. As its name indicates, nouns that can be counted. It means as a noun, the name of a person, place, animal or thing which called noun that can be counted. Counted means गिनना, जिन्हें हम गिन सकते हैं. They called countable nouns. For example, I eat a banana every day. Banana, a banana means one in the number. I like bananas. Banana is a countable noun. We can put an S on a countable noun. It means we can make their plurals also, just like bananas. Countable nouns can be singular, it means one in the number, or plurals, means many. Countable nouns are things we can count. We can say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3, 60, 50 bananas, etc. So, if we can count a thing, noun, person, place, it's called countable nouns. Other examples of countable nouns are just like apple is a singular but apples plural. Pineapple, cucumber, strawberry, grape. Their plurals are pineapples, cucumbers, strawberries and grapes. We add es to most noun in o. If we are making plural of the noun which ends with o, we just add es. Just like tomato becomes tomatoes, potato become potatoes. But we just add s to radio and photo. It means they are exceptions. Either they have o in the end of the noun, but we add only s, like radio become radios, photo become photos. Now let's talk about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means, let's have an example. I eat rice every day. I like rice. We can't count rice. It's not like 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. It's just rice. So rice is an uncountable noun. हम राइस को गिन नहीं सकते. एक राइस, 2 राइस. No, it's not like that. It's rice. So it is uncountable. An uncountable noun has only one form. We can't make their plural. Uncountable noun are things we can't count. We can't put an S on an uncountable noun. We can't say like 1 rice, 2 rice, etc. So an uncountable noun has only one form. Like rice, only rice, not rices. Another examples are uncountable noun, salad dressing. It's not salad dressings. Lettuce, ham, water, milk. So, what is uncountable and countable? Countable means which we can count in the fingers or numbering, and uncountable which we can't count. Now there is or there isn't or there are plus some any. How we use them? There is and there are some. Now let's make these sentences. There is some meat in the fridge. There is some cheese in the fridge. So if we can't count meat and cheese, we use some. Meat and cheese are uncountable noun. That's why we are using some. If we are using some before countable nouns, they are plurals. Just like there are some rulers on the desk, there are some pencils on the desk. We use there is some when the noun is uncountable. इसका मतलब जब हम किसी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन से पहले देयर इज सम सिंगुलर फॉर्म यूज करते हैं, देन इट मीन्स इट इज अनकाउंटेबल. लाइक मीट, वी कांट काउंट मीट, सो वी आर यूजिंग देयर इज सम मीट. वी कांट काउंट चीज, सो देयर इज सम चीज, because we can't count them. But rulers and pencils, we can count one ruler, two rulers, pencils. So when we are making plural, we use there are some when the countable noun is plural. जब countable noun plural हो जाती है, then we use some before it. Like there are some rulers, there are some pencils. There aren't any. It same goes like some. There isn't any milk in the shop. There isn't any coffee in the shop. Because we can't count milk and coffee. इसलिए वो क्या है? Uncountable noun. That's why we are using any before it. There isn't any milk. But dishes and watches, we can count them. So it is plural. There aren't any dishes under the bed. There aren't any watches under the bed. We use there isn't any when the noun is uncountable. It means we can't count milk and coffee. जब हम milk और coffee को count नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो सिर्फ उनकी singular form use करते हुए any use करते हैं. And if we can count the noun like dishes and watches, there aren't any, then we use plural form of the countable noun like any dishes, any watches. So I guess you have understand about it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.